corona sa MGI.
Michelle,
All stars.
Michelle, as a former Miss Universe Philippines and also now hindi pa nga tapos. Now, I'm gonna ask a controversial question. The scoring that they did yesterday, madaming nagre-react ng mga fans and also people in the pageant industry that the scores that ganong kababa is very disrespectful. What's your stand on that?
I mean, of course, I'm glad I'm a host and I'm not a judge. The judges definitely have the freedom to score what they feel is right. I can't speak on behalf of any of the judges that are there, but I know it's such a breath of fresh air to have that kind of transparency in pageantry again. Of course, everybody has their own opinions, but ultimately, what happened yesterday is not the final competition naman. Hindi naman yun ang magtatapos sa laban. So, what I really hope and pray for is that the girls focus on their journey. They focus on what they have to offer because the day that they have to prepare for the most is really on the third year. And yun talaga magsaseal sa destiny. No matter what anyone says, as long as the girl on stage is happy with their performance, no one can take that.
Wow, very well said.
Wow.
You have mentioned transparency. Is it because of your experience in Miss Universe?
I mean, I definitely wish there was that kind of
Transparency,
transparency
yes.
during my year. I think maraming hindi magagalit if ganun ka-transparent pala Miss Universe. Of course, naramdaman na kasi natin ang feeling ng transparent scoring in Miss Universe. So, I'm not against it. I'm not opposed to it. But definitely, I think this is one of those competitions that marami mapapaisip, marami magpo-question kung ano mas prefer nila. And I think that's maybe why Papa Nawat is also doing it. To really show that Miss Grand All-Stars is different from the rest of the pageants.
And what can you say that besides Spain and many other countries, France has just issued a statement that they are already pulling out of Miss Universe?
Well, I'm sure they have their reasons. I'm not actually too updated on what's happening there. But I definitely wish them the best, whatever happened. But again, I'm not too well versed on the issue that happened.
Michelle, message mo naman sa mga Pilipinas na lumalaban sa
Yes.
NCI.
Mga kababayan, napakadami niyo pong pasabog. I'm so proud to call myself Pinoy because of all of your grabe pinaghandaan nila. Lahat sila, they're at their best, they're at the top of their game. And napaka-excited na po ako na na-experience ang finals here sa MGI Mall. I know it's so different to have 5 representatives,
Yes.
but I'm enjoying it. Kayo ba?
Very
Yeah.
much.
Michelle,
Grabe
if
na kung
you're not
sinong
doing
kukunan namin.
MGI, will we see you in Paris Fashion Week? We miss you. It's been like several years after
No, I
Michael
was-
Cinco show.
Yes. Well, I was there last year also.
Ah,
I had
okay.
to skip January, but you can expect me this year also.
Yes, because Michael is coming back.
I
And we see you as
know.
opening this show as well.
I'm always available.
Michelle, pwede mo bang ulitin yung